sign flat out says I need a mask.
I'm on the wrong side of the road. Fuck off. Where's their pilot car? What are you doing? Wait a second, Dick.
Alright.
Hi.
Shut up.
Ah.
I got kicked out.
Where's your mask, bitch?
Huh?
Where's your mask?
No. Wasn't my mask. I put it on. It's my time.
It must have been your ugly face.
It's my time.
Ugly face. Hi, Ty. Hi, Ty.
You're dying.
Hi, Ty. Up, they're measuring. Measure.
Yeah, she told me to come back around noon. Buddy.
Are you for real?
You hear an higher bill?
What? What?
Huh?
What'd you ask?
Hello?
What? Hello?
Hello? Yeah.
What?
Get a better phone signal.
I'm in Licking.
Licking.
They told you to come back at noon?
Well, I'm told to come back around noon.
Well, tell her you fucking got drops other places. You ain't got time for this bullshit.
I ain't got time for that. Right? Isn't that the deal?
That's the deal. Oh, they're putting the ridges in there. Holy shit. They're putting the ridges in the road. The thing in the middle.
The rumblers?
Uh-huh.
What about it?
I'm watching them put it. Oh, we're driving all weird. Back and forth, around and around. And they're putting, yeah, the rumble strip.
So I had to come back around noon. What the fuck?
Oh yeah. So where are you gonna go eat? Drop your trailer and go eat. Alright, just bob down.
You suck dick?
What?
I thought that's what he says.
You said you can bobtail and go eat somewhere.
Go eat something?
Yeah.
I'm fat, you fucker. You're supposed to be helping me with this thing.
I am. Go eat a salad, bitch.
Where am I gonna get a good salad right now, motherfucker?
I don't know. Go to Walmart.
You want me to tell you something about a salad? Well, I like my salad, it's not healthy. Actually, you know, you smell like shit.
Okay, Ori. Call you Ori.
You should. Did you just call me Maurice?
Ori.
Maurice?
Ori. The guy at
Ori?
Rogersville. Aaron.
What?
The guy at Rogersville.
Kenny Rogers?
Oh my word. The guy from Rogersville where he just talks, says shit about you.
The guy from Rogersville
Yeah.
said shit about me?
Yeah. Because he said you shut up, you fat, you stink, and that's why